Hi guys, and welcome to my tutorial of Paul Bowman name generator. So as you can see, when I click on this, I end up with Ray Kingsley. From this day onward, you will also be known as Wicked Gambino. So let's change that very name now. Supposing I enter my name and it generates. Here we go. Paul Bowman. From this day onward, you will also be known as Dynamic Hunter, which I actually even use on my channel here. Where is it? Right there. Look at it. If you guys look up here, you will see where I actually address myself as Dynamic Hunter. Now let's try other names. Let's say I go for Donald Glover. Check that out. Donald Glover. From this day onwards, you will also be known as Childish Gambino. So let's try someone else out. I'm going to enter, let's say, Parker Zami. Let's see what Parker Zami is. There we go. So what I'm going to do now, guys, I'm going to put together this very package. Okay, I will zip it up and put it in my own description area. The choice is yours. If you want to just download it, have a look at it. At your own risk though. So just have a look at it. So if I get enough viewer out there that like it and enough comment, if you guys want me to put this together, then I'll just put it together. So check out the description area. This particular program will be there for you guys to download and just have a go at it. So with that, I'm gonna say bye for now. I suppose you guys enjoyed.